cord. Always in the way. Hi everybody. Welcome to the stream. Started a little bit late. When last we streamed, talked about the possibility of looking into a Doctor Strange effect type project. And most of the stuff that's here, I'm like looking through this, most of the stuff that that's displayed, at least from these screenshots, it seems like something that's up our alley that we could do. Now of course the movie's been around for a while. I want to make sure I get actual screenshots from the movie, but they're kind of blurry. I know there's a lot of projects on the interwebs that do this very same thing, but mostly in Photoshop, After Effects, that kind of stuff. So I'm just trying to find if I could get a crisp looking one. Oh, this one. Oh, this one's cool. Wait, or was it? There's this one in particular. So you've got your circle and then some geometric stuff in the middle there. Much of those look like star polygons in some layers. But one of the things that I wanted to try to add to our library is a text effect that basically wraps around a path. In this case, a circle. Oh, I like that one a lot. That's very cool. So these paths are definitely textured quite a bit. But we could get something going. This should be pretty simple to get something started. What I want to do though is in this like outer ring here, there's some runes or some glyphs of some kind that I need to provide a way to have an effect that that bends around a circle path. So that's what we're gonna do today, and then maybe a little bit of gaming later. So let's get started. Hey, the last thing that we did was, this is in the shapes library, but I feel like this text effect probably belongs not here. I mean, it could be considered a view modifier along a path. But I'm not sure yet. Tell you what, we will start in the shapes library. If it seems like it needs to be booted over to somewhere else, then that's what I'll do. Although I just saw this. Okay, so what is the goal for tonight? The goal is new file. This is circular text. It's a view because we're going to be using, we're going to compose it of several text views. Circular text. We'll see how it goes. Now, we'll have a var that's a text, it's a string. Let's make this public just in case we want to send it out into the wild. Here's our hello world text. Starting with something new here. There we go. I feel like we're also going to need like size, which is CG float. So we'll do and maybe we'll make this like 40. Oh, we're going to need a public initializer, aren't we? There we go. Okay. So what I'm doing here is I'm getting the number of characters in the string is text.count, which is n. And then the vertices, which is an array of CG points, is going to be obtained from the convex polygon with sides initializer with the vertices in the rectangle. So I'm going to be like, hey man, vertices for each point in, what we're going to do is send out text, which is going to be text Oh, I know what I have to do. I have to be like, oh shoot, I need enumeration, don't I? Yeah, I need a numerator. For index point in vertices enumerated. There we go. Hold on a second. Oh, can I not do this? Oh, I'm gonna need a for each. This is okay. This is okay. For each 0 n. Index in. There we go. Now I'd be like, let vertex equals vertices index. Yep. Let character equal text index. Wait, does that work? Oh shoot. 2 dots, not 3. My mistake. Cannot call a value of non-function type string. What? Text character. Oh, range of character? No. No. I need. Oh. How do I get the is it the substring? Oh. No. Is it this guy? Substring from. I know I've done this before. Open recent. Okay, we'll find it. Prefix. Oh, this was in the typewriter text. I don't think that's what I want. I want substring at index. Yeah. You're not going to work like this? Oh, jeez. Okay. Swift. Substring at index. I always have to look this up. Prefix. You still need to just start index offset by. Okay, fine. I already have my index. Oh, geez. All I want is a single character. Next? Is that all? Okay. So what? Flowers as in a string dot character at. Oh my gosh, why is it so complicated? Hmm. All right, just gonna comment out each line by line. Okay, and you are a UTF-16 code unit. Text, string, character? Is that gonna work? Let's see. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, cool. Font of system size, offset. Yay, okay. Wait a minute though. Oh no. Okay, so this is what happens when you just copy and paste exactly from the sample code. Let vertex is vertices index. Let I equals text UTF-16 index. Text I. Aha, there we go. Cool, cool. Okay. Offset is going to be, we're going to say negative dimension times 0.5 plus. There we go. Same with you. Perfect. Okay. So here are the characters, and they are going clockwise, which may or may not be what we want. So typically we read from left to right if you're in a Western nation. So this isn't going to cut it for us. We're going to have to do some reversing. So maybe we do... Wait, can you do decreasing ranges? Can we do that? I mean, I suppose we could. Subtract it in the X direction. Nope. Okay, so we got hello Twitch. Let's try some other stuff. This is a long sentence. Uh-oh. What happened? Why is it only printing like half of it? Okay. It was having trouble there. Having a hard time keeping up with me on this preview here. Okay. So, of course, as things get... okay. Maybe we do padding. But what I want to know is, why is it shoved all the way down to the bottom of the screen? What? Probably because it is no, I don't have an answer for that. I don't know why it's doing that. Okay. Regardless, we got our letters here. What I want to be able to do is I want to be able to rotate them so they're all... Now, do you rotate then offset, or do you offset then rotate? That is the question. Rotate then offset, or offset then rotate? I know that the order of operations matters in these types of things, so. Is there a better way to... It's kind of hard. I'm thinking, like, with the view, you want the simplest input, which I guess would just be a string. So this should be fine. So let's try rotating them. Rotation effect. And let's let this be in radians. Let's just say pi over 12, just to see, because they're all slanted that way. Obviously, that looks like offset then rotation effect should be fine. If we do rotation effect first and then offset, oh, not much different. Actually, it looks like rotation effect then offset is the way to go, because I'm looking at this first character at the O and it's at the top. Whereas if we do the offset first, then it's a little bit off kilter there. And that's not what we're looking. We're just looking to rotate the glyph, not the relative angular position from the center of this circle. So rotation effect goes first. There we go. We answered our question. Hooray! Go team. All right. So this is, of course, a magic number. We need to figure this out based on the position. So if we say, basically, angle equals well, if we already know x and y, then angle is tangent of y and x, right? Tangent of vertex dot y over vertex dot x, right? So this is CG float. This is an angle. So we'll rotate it by radians angle. Oh, whoops. That's not right. Something wrong here. All right. This is... Am I doing that right? Where's my view modifier? Oh, wait a second. X over Y is tangent, right? So it's the inverse tangent, right? Wait. Yeah. Cosine over sine. No, sine over cosine is tangent, which is y over x. So the inverse tangent of y over x is the angle. That's right. So it's atan. Atan. There we go. But hold on a second. Do we get no? Oh, it needs to be relative to the center. It needs to be relative to the center. If I'm... Yeah, I was just checking. Something's wrong. I need it to face... Oh, I know it's the issue. Okay, the issue is 0 degrees is like up at the top because of reasons. So remember convex polygon, what we did was we said convex polygon, path, and rectangle. What we have in our vertices in our rectangle is we have this offset in radians minus pi over 2. So what we need to do is, I think we need to add pi over 2 back. I'm pretty sure that's what we need to do. Plus pi over 2. Oh. Ambiguous use of pi. What do you think this is? It's a CG float. What? Oh no. This isn't working at all. Negative? What are you trying to do? Is what you may be asking me. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do the circular text thing where we say I want to add a new one, new frame. What? I can't do more than one frame on here? Here's page 2. All right. This is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to be like, oh, hey, this is a circle. And then I've got text C. And I want A. But I don't want it like facing straight up. What I want it is rotated I guess it needs to be rotated in the opposite direction of where its position is relative to the center. Now, because this center point isn't at 0, like in some frame, it could be like x equals 50, y equals 100, right? Like you'd be like, hey man, right here, maybe you're at like 50. Oh gosh, 50. Oh, right? Like, remember, 0, 0 is in the top left corner. So whatever this is, if I've got my A right here, the vertex data, relatively speaking, is whoop. Come on now. Don't leave me hanging, bro. Here we go. Oh, I should have like Be an easier way to do this. So this is mid X, mid Y. So whatever position this is, first of all, if you'll recall, if we didn't do this offset, first of all, where would it be? It'd be all jumbled in there. That's true. But the important thing is its offset is whatever vertex, like whatever this data is, this CG point, I'm having to offset it by, because it's starting here because this is a GeoZ stack. Everything starts in the center. So even though in the geometry reader, this point is not 0, 0, it's drawn in the middle as if it were 0, 0, sort of. So then I offset it by dimension, half of the smallest dimension, plus vertex.x. And I don't know why it does this. Here, maybe if I... Oh, okay. Okay. Better. So this is, again, dimension times 0.5. There. Okay. So in my GeoZ stack, maybe I do this. The background is going to be here. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, it's because... That's right. Let's do this. There. Each text view is its own like one character view, which means that like the actual size of this frame would be very tiny. So maybe I do frame first. Take out the padding. Oh, that doesn't seem to do anything. Very interesting. Okay. What if I throw you in a Z stack? There we go. Now it's forcing us to, there, we don't need a background color in this circular text view. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, this is perfect. Now I can be like, okay, border is going to be, let's say color.red, just so we can see. Okay. Good. So wherever this is in the geometry reader, our rotation effect has to account for the fact that this angle is not what it seems. What we have to do is say, oh man. Here we go. Let rectangle equals proxy frame in dot local. There. This is the rectangle of choice here. So now to be like, hey man, a tangent of vertex dot y minus rectangle mid y. I think this is right. I don't know for sure. We're gonna see. Vertex x minus rectangles mid x. Oh no. That wasn't the right answer. Oh wait. Wait. Did that work? I think that worked. 1.21. Although, what's happening here? Look at that. Oh, interesting. Do I need an ATAN too? Oh, yeah, that's right. Hold on. Yes. Okay. So what do we do? The atangent 2 function. This is very important. The arctangent function, which keeps the sign of your y. Whereas if you just do like the arctangent, like the atan function here, you're not going to get the right answer all the way across the circle. So atan 2 is supposed to account for the minus signs, which means that now our text is circular. Hooray! Yay! Okay. There's some weirdness going on though. Maybe let's make the size a little bit smaller. Let's go 32. Okay. Still kind of weird. It's not, the spacing is kind of weird, if you can see. Not quite sure what to do with that. I was like, a space is needed at the end of the string. Oh, yeah, right. How you doing, KNH? Yeah, that'll do it. But where's the period? Where did it go? Why isn't it rendering? It actually looks really good now. Why are periods not being rendered? What? What? Dashes too? What is this madness? Oh, now I see it. Wait a second. It was getting. Oh, okay. Oh, you know, there's some shenanigans going on, I think, with the preview. Preview's being weird. I was gonna say, like, it should have. There it is. Very untrustworthy, this preview provider, wouldn't you say? All right, sweet. Okay, Doctor Strange. What glyphs are used in Doctor Strange's shield? Doctor Strange shield text. Texting and driving. Doctor Strange font. Oh, that's different from what I was hoping to see. Although, Baker Signet. How to get the Doctor Strange shield? What is it? Sanskrit? Maybe? With spells in Sanskrit and training in Nepal. So, The book of Cagliostro is written in Sanskrit. But what letters are used in Doctor Strange Shield? Tell me. Marvel Cinematic Universe.fandom.com. Okay, let's see if this actually helps us understand what's happening here. Do. Show me what you got. Why? Why? Okay. Well, let's see. The shape that exists in every single artist's rendition of the Sanctum Sanctorum's third floor window. That's not what I want. I need... Okay. I mean, it could be anything. That looks like a TIE fighter. Are those actual... Is that wingdings? What is this? We have... That's an octagon. Inscribed in a circle. Also inscribed is a star polygon with 8 sides of order 2. And then around here, okay, we got some, we've got several layers of text. This is very interesting. Okay. Let's file that away here. So we have our circular text. That's kind of fun. Good job, team. Size 32. I mean, I don't even know what's the ideal size here. Oh, maybe it could be... About 24 maybe. The other issue we have is, what if we want to display the text going counterclockwise instead of clockwise? Or maybe like a starting point. We'll get to that in a little bit. But this circular text thing is kind of neat. And actually, you know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking this is the kind of effect that should be applied to generics. Like we should be able to not just do text, but like any sort of a symbol, any shape, or an array of shapes, or maybe a repeating shape. That would be kind of useful. So, for example, we've got our stroke-styled circle that uses a circle path that cuts it up into segments. But up until this point, we haven't really had any like repeating pattern shapes. You know what I mean? I mean, the repeating pattern is just dashes, but we could do so much more. I think that'd be really fun to be able to do that. For example, wait, what was this called? Oh, this was called SwiftUI view. Oh, bad. Circular text.swift. So the underlying technology is number of elements, and then at each element you provide something that's drawable, some view, right? Or some shape even. So circular, we could call it like a pattern. We could make a pattern. We could say, hey, public struct circular pattern, which is a view, and public var body some view. So the idea for this is take a walk with me. What if we could construct a repeating pattern of anything drawable onto a circular path, or maybe even any path. So in which case we could call it a path pattern. A path pattern. And this is, of course, a view. Of course. Well, no. I mean, it'd be hard to keep this as a shape because you're going to want to be able to use text for one thing, and text is not a shape, it's a view. It's almost like we'd have to be like drawable, which is going to be this is going to be a type. Now we've done generics before. For example, we've done not you. Where have we done this? I think it's in our SwiftUI project with our progress bar. We have in this progress bar we have types T and U, which conform to the view protocol. So we have a back view and a front view. Let's do something similar to that. So we're going to go back to circular text. So path pattern, where T is some view. drawable. T. Var repetitions. Some integer. Then we're going to have a public init, which is our pattern. Wait. Is this how we do it? Init t view pattern t repetitions integer. Let's give it a value of 10 to start with. Self.drawable equals pattern. Self.repetitions equals repetitions. Why didn't I just put... There we go. All right. Then it's basically this. Basically what we did here, where we were like, oh, hey, man. And then what do we put it? We put a, oh, shoot. There we go. Then it's a Z stack for each. That's what we're doing. For each. It's not text.count. Oh, repetitions is already set. For each 0 into repetitions. Repetitions. Now this is where things get crazy. We're going to remove IN character. Then we're going to not do text string. We're going to do pattern. Uh-oh, shoot. Cannot assign value of type T to type T? Whoop. What? Oh no. Okay, Xcode is very confused. Okay, so there's obviously something's wrong with the initializer. Self.pattern equals pattern. How do we do this other one? Oh, there's no initializer here. How convenient. What am I doing wrong here? All right. This is just the strangest thing to me. Cannot assign value of type T. Insert as T. Oh, wait, you can't do that. Does the initializer need the, since it's already defined in the struct? Oh, that's a good question. Maybe we don't need that. Oh. Whoops. Nice work. Yeah, I guess I just made an assumption. All right, cool. Very nice. All right, so how are we gonna do this now? We're gonna be like, lucky guess. Inspiration right there. All right, so let's try something. Let's be like, all right, let's do a path pattern. Our pattern is going to be a rouleau triangle. Repetitions, 8. What? Pattern. Oh, you know what we need to do? We need to give it a frame. Let's say it's going to be dimension divided by repetitions. No? Oh, I got to do CG float across the whole board. There we go. That's fine. Ooh, something happened. Build failed. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. No. If a group is in a Z stack, this should be okay, right? Oh, but let's do frame. Let's go 300 so that it's larger. Foreground color, orange. Oh, nice. Hey, look at that. Dang, dude. That is quite cool. But if I don't give it a frame, oh, huh. How would it do that? I guess we do have to give it a frame, huh? Maybe. Well, this whole thing is just in the previews. What we probably should do is create a proper view out of this. So let's do that. I know this is all in the same. It's all in the same file, but now this says path pattern, but it really is a circle pattern because that's what we're doing here. What we really should be doing is providing. Oh, you know, it'd be really cool if we could use a modifier on path itself. We've done something similar. Have we though? Once upon a time. What did we do with that? I think we had I'll bring it back. 300. Let's go 50. Get rid of the red color. Okay. Path pattern is definitely a circular pattern. So let's rename this again because I was getting a little ahead of myself. Circle pattern. This circle pattern is separate from circular text because the text is being implemented in one way, whereas the circle pattern, this could be any view, right? So, for example, this could be there it is. A. Oh shoot, what happened? Ellipses? No. Wait a minute. Oh, what I probably need to do is give it like a font system size 20. There we go. It can do up to 2 characters. How about 12? Dang it. All right. That's fine. All right. So what we really need to do is yeah, so circular text is, again, I don't know if this particular implementation is worthy for the shapes library. I think this is like a fun demo piece for maybe, I mean, we're going to use it in our games project, So I think we should migrate over there. I think this circle pattern actually does have significance such that it could be used in the library. So I think I want to stick this around, have this stick around. So circle pattern dot swift. Let's just put that in there for now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to circle pattern. Generates a view on a circular path. Generates a repeated pattern of a provided view on a circular path. There we go. Great. That's noteworthy. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to... Yeah. He gave it to me. Let's go to our reusable. And we're going to call this new file. This is in the Game UI Inspirations project now. This is going to be circular text. Circular text view, I guess. Yeah, sure. And then back to here. Back to formula. There we go. Oh, shoot. Import shapes. Oh, that gets it a circular text. Fine. Hey, Quicks. How you doing? Oh, a whole year? Oh, thank you. This calls for a celebration. When is my... I think it already happened. I don't remember when it was, but it's... I don't know. Yeah, I must have missed it. That was quite a milestone, and I botched it. I don't know what to do about that. But thank you so much. 12 months. On a 12-month streak even. Dang, dude. I appreciate you. How's your break going? How's the time off? Are you being good to yourself? You enjoying the time off? Let's see. Let's just make sure this works. Today was your first day back? I'm still in vacay. Yeah. Don't go back to work for another week. I'm very, very, very excited about that. So, yep. I got another whole week of just messing around, as one does. You know what this means, you guys? I have no excuse to not be working on my tutorial videos that I said I was going to post by Thanksgiving. That never happened. Don't tell anybody. Wait, this isn't working. What the heck? Oh, I need to frame it. There we go. Foreground color. There we go. Background. Whoop. that doesn't work. Never mind. Okay, so that's our circular text view that didn't quite make it into the shapes library. And the reason why is because it's like a single use case that hopefully will be made obsolete when I get around to fixing exactly what I want to do here. Where this is the circle pattern, I think this does belong in the shapes library. I'm gonna get rid of this. We're making, I was trying to go for little Doctor Strange shield action. And I was like, the first thing that I was going to tackle was getting circular text or circular symbols or whatever available. You'll notice in this particular one, well, this is like, well, this is somebody's After Effects project, but you've got this outer ring is a whole lot of text. Then this inner one is a little bit larger than like another inner one. Did I see the new Spider-Man? I did. I'm gonna go see it again sometime this next week. Have you seen it? You haven't yet? But Spider-Man is the one I keep it with the most. Oh man. I'm so excited for you to see it. Try to avoid the spoilers if you can, is my recommendation. The payoff is just so sweet. It's such a great film. That film passed the $1 billion mark. It's like the only the third film to do so in the last several years. Yeah. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. I love it. What game are you going to be playing next when you stream again? Circle pattern previews. Are you gonna wait till the new year? Or are you gonna be streaming this week? Detroit Become Human, yes. Excellent. Very cool. All right. There we go. Circle pattern. We can do A. We can also do, check this out. I'm so happy. I already did this before, but. Oh, that'll be a fun one to watch. All right, so our circle pattern works. Very, very excited about this. Let's see what other things we can do. You guys remember the triquetra view? Can I preview? Why? Okay, there we go. Nice. And then we'll do like 200. Get it in there a little bit. Perfect. So yeah, anything that conforms to view, we can put in a circular pattern. This is huge for us because, you know, a lot of the things that we've been seeing with repeating shapes have been, you know, for the most part, it's fine because we've actually done something similar to this before. Anytime we draw something that utilizes equally spaced points around a circle to get this kind of effect. We've done that before. The triquetra is one of them, right? We've got convex polygon, sides, vertices, and rect, where sides is 3. And so, oh gosh, this is still not working, is it? That was the wrong choice. Star polygon, that's a better one. There. So this guy utilizes the vertices and the CG rectangle, and to have those points there. And so that's something that, you know, isn't new for us. Like, we've done that before, but this is the first time that we're actually saying, we're using generics to saying, hey, let's pass in anything and draw that thing at the point, rather than using that point as a way to like intersect lines or curves between the points, if that makes sense. And so this is the kind of thing that, man, if we wanted to make snowflakes, for example, that's something that we could do. So, yeah, we could do that. It would require a little bit of finesse, but all right, so circle pattern. Let's push this, you guys. Yay! Commit. Circle pattern generates a repeated pattern of a provided view on a circular path. First of all, what? There we go. Generates a repeated pattern of a provided view of the provided view on a circular path. Nice. I don't need this anymore, so we can get rid of that comment. And I think that looks good. Yeah, perfect. So let's go ahead and push this. Circle pattern. Eventually, I'd like to be able to put patterns along any arbitrary path, like a squiggly line, and we could make little triquetras, little rouleau triangles all the way across. It'd be kind of fun to do. In the meantime, let's just push this guy. Added circle pattern to library and commit. Go team. All right, so now that we've got that circle pattern in the library, we have our circular text, which is in our reusable. This is something a little bit different. What we're going to use that for is, now we might have to make some changes here, but do you guys remember way a long time ago when we had our Diamond Dogs logo from NGSV? Remember that there is a banner here that has text on it. However, we did not have the technology to put text that followed along the path. And this actually isn't a circular path, so we still don't have the technology for it. Oh no. It probably will be better if we can get that arbitrary path thing first. Maybe like a control point as like the rotation, like the point of rotation, like rather than rotating about a circle, we could just have like some arbitrary point of rotation depending on where this is. That would be kind of cool. So yeah, remember this to do text that can be skewed. So I've got that here, but what I really want to do with it is demos. See, there's no game behind this, you guys, yet. But we're trying to make this. So let's do this. So demos, new file, This is our Doctor Strange shield. It doesn't, I mean, we could make the argument that there's some game out there that has Doctor Strange in it, but I haven't actually played it yet, and if it exists. Okay, so import shapes. So let's go ahead and try to, whoops. Oh, I need to remember to update to the latest package versions. Build succeeded. Get back here. Yoink. All right. All right, so what are we doing? We need and you know, this whole thing could probably use an effect that's like a radial gradient where it's brightest in the center. I'm going to wait on that though first. First, let's get the stuff in there. So, circle pattern. I mean, is there really any circle patterns in there? There's circular text. There's 3 circular texts. I don't think we have a circle pattern in here. Nothing that's like repeatable. So we're gonna do circular text. And here we go. So okay. Give it a batting. Come on. Why do you draw yourself all the way at the bottom? This is the thing that I can't quite figure out. I might be doing this wrong. Maybe I need to do frame width of dim, height of dim. Ah. Oh, I see. That is funny. Okay. Circular text is a view, and we're going to actually maybe make it more like 95%. Since it is kind of poking out a little bit past its frame. Past its frame. Don't you know? Wait a minute. Does it need to be 90? Oh, wait, no. This is fine. That's what I needed to do. Okay, yeah. No. The text is poking out of its own frame. But, you know what? No, this is fine. Let's just do dim. I'm feeling good about this. I am. Now, we do circle, stroke. Oh, let's do... inset by. Wait, is that what we want to do? Maybe we just do frame and your times 95%. Stroke border or the line or style. Line width is going to be dimension times 0.02. Is that right? Let's do that. Do you know what game you might play tonight, or is it computer magic all the way? I have a couple of, I haven't made the decision yet. There's a couple of games that I've been waffling back and forth, which reminds me. Forgot to install it. Where are you? Yeah, I don't know if... I don't know if it's going to be this one or the other one. Ah. Where are you? Ah. Estimated download time, 18 minutes. Okay. Well, it's either going to be a PC game or it's going to be a PlayStation game. We'll see how it goes. This game is too loud? Yeah, I forgot to install it. I was going to play on the PC. I have it installed. I have the game that I was thinking about playing installed already on my PlayStation. So I was just going to play that. Oh, the game that you are playing is too loud. Oh, I see. Yeah, no, I was kind of debating whether or not... this seems like a job for the Wheel of Fortune. We'll see, though. It's downloading right now. It's got a ways to go. So it may be by default. No, it's not until dawn. Maybe you should play that game on stream. That would be a good idea. Circular text. $90. Sup? Welcome, first time viewer. What game are you making? I'm drawing some circular text effects. Trying to recreate the Doctor Strange shield from the MCU movies. Utilizing some library shapes that we've been drawing in SwiftUI. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're having a great day. You don't have the ability to do it. Oh, that's right. You need a capture card, Quicks. That's right. I forgot. You know, I actually do kind of want to... Now that you mention it. I kind of want to do this. I kind of want to make, we're going 90. Circle. Pattern. We're going to do it. The pattern is going to be, did you even have to ask? 30. How does that look? Frame is going to be 90. 90. Yes. 88. And then down here is going to be 85. Yeah, so welcome to the stream. New viewer, the real M God YT for YouTube, I'm guessing, if I'm right. I do a little bit of variety streaming here. I do some programming, but also play some games. We'll be playing a little bit tonight of a new game that I haven't yet streamed. And we're gonna let fate decide what that is. Well, first of all, I got to make sure that I've finished downloading the PC game. It's got, it's trying. It's about 16% done. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. My day's going well. How's your day going? Are you enjoying the holidays? Oh, and thank you for the follow too. I appreciate you. Let's go 80%. Cool. And then now we're about to get to the good stuff, you guys. Okay, so we've done this. We've done a pattern, which should be a little bit larger. I'm trying to figure out like why it's deciding to be so small. I wonder if oh, you know, that is, I think that is a feature of the circle pattern itself. I think we did, yeah, we did give it a frame of, it's a fraction of the dimension over the amount of repetitions that you have. So if I want it to be bigger, I need fewer repetitions there. I see. Okay. Well, in that case, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, all right, let's say 24. Do you code or work with SwiftUI? Let's see, about 20. So yeah, it gets a little bit bigger, not too much bigger though. I guess 30 makes it just small enough. That's okay. Now, what comes after this? We're gonna have another couple of circles. This guy's gonna be. We're gonna go 80. Oh no, this is like 70, 78, and then one more at like say 75. Okay. And now we're going to do some straight up. Oh, this is going to be fun. Now we're going to do, well, we got a circle. We've got an octagon in there, and then we've got a star polygon. And then, ooh, there's some other stuff in here. Oops a daisy. Okay, let's do this. Now we've got, let's go, well, circle, stroke, frame. I feel like this could all be in a group. Group. And then I bring you here. Is that going to work though? Let's see. Let's see. Dimension times, let's say it's going to be 70%. I think this should work. as long as everything inside the group is a view that responds to the frame modifier, this should be okay. Let's just double check this. Here we go. Wait a second. Wait a minute. Wait. No, that's not 8 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. No, it is 8 sides. What was I thinking? It just needs to be rotated a bit. That's okay. And yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay, and then we got those were all with the same frame. So that was nice. Maybe though your line width should be a little bit thicker, I'm thinking. Let's go line width times 2%. Yeah, that's good. And then you're going to stick to 1. You're going to also stick to 0.01. You're not a coder. I'm trying to become a coder so I can create a game. Oh, cool. What kind of game you want to make? That's a wonderful idea. And some more circles. You are going to be, let's say 60%. No, more like 50. Let's say 50%. Hold the phone. Needs to be even less. Dare I say 40%? Yeah, 40. There we go. And then another one at, let's say 30. Yeah, that's good. Now this one, ooh, there's a lot of stuff going on here. That's pretty crazy. In fact, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's almost looking like a star polygon. Let's give it a density of 3. No. 4. No. 43. That's not too bad, actually. It's not exactly what's going on in here, but I think that's okay. What if I mess with the mess with this a little bit? No, I think I want to keep it at 8. I see an octagon. Yes, there is an octagon in there. There's a lot of shapes in here. And I was so happy to see that we could utilize this shapes drawing library to get this effect, because it's really cool when you can see like repeating patterns in movies and in games. And one of my goals for this project is to like make drawing these patterns like a lot easier. So with that, now what we want to do is we want to provide, let's see, we want to make a gradient, a radial gradient. Let's see here. This is going to be let RG equals radial gradient. The colors are going to be, gosh, let's say orange and yellow. I don't know if that's like, start radius is going to be 0. The end radius is going to be dimension. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be like, hey guys, let's do a foreground style RG. Ooh, that's nice. It's not exactly popping though. What we need to do is do a little, let's see if we can fix this a bit. Excuse me. Oh, gee. Ooh. Feeling a little bit under the weather. I've gotten to the point where my coughing is starting to hurt my head. Like I start coughing and like inside it's like we're at that point right now. I've already downed some Advil, but holy smoke, it hurts. Anyway, so we got our Doctor Strange shield, and we want to have a color.black.ignore safe area. So this will paint it real good behind it, and let's do Doctor Strange demo there. I don't think we need any padding now because we just get, yeah, there we go. Not the cough. The cough, it doesn't hurt as much as the whiplash in the brain. I don't know how to describe it, but no, the cough it's okay. I don't have COVID. No, I got my booster a few weeks ago, so we're good there. I want to remaster the Incredible Hulk or make my own sci-fi game. That sounds amazing. You should totally do that. That's awesome. Yeah, that sounds really cool. Is the Incredible Hulk your favorite superhero? Or you just have a cool concept for a game that you want to make? Okay, guys. It's between orange and yellow, but it's not really... It's not really looking too spectacular. Let me just see something. Oh, okay. The blue's coming out. Okay, so and actually what I really want is this. Yellow, orange. Yeah, like that. And then you know what I think I even want on top of that? Wait, can I do an overlay? Let me see if this actually does something. Colors, yellow, white. Hulk is not your favorite. Foreground style. Overlay. RG2. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What happened? Instance method foreground style requires that some view conform to shape style. Oh, I can't do an overlay? For shame. Okay. That's fine. That's fine, I suppose. What if I did an RG2 instead? Maybe... Oh, I have an idea. Overlay. Here's what we're going to do. RG, and then overlay is going to be RG2 with an opacity of 0.3. Nope, that's not what we want. No. What I want is... Dang it. Oh, what if I just did this? How silly of me. Hold on a second. Yellow, orange. Wait. What? Yellow, orange. There we go. Now RG. Now I don't need an overlay. There. Pretty as a picture. Okay, we're still downloading, guys. After all this, I don't even know if I'm gonna play it tonight. Well, we're gonna let fate decide. I keep on saying that. So we probably have another. Yeah, we got 25% to go. So let's just see how it goes. Let's just see how it goes. That's not too shabby, you guys. It's looking pretty good. What I want to do is I want to get a blur effect going on here. So RG2 isn't in use, so let's remove that. Okay. It's time for your close-up. Whoops-a-daisy. Oh no. What have I done? A little bit of blur is good, but it's... Let me see here. I feel like maybe the blur needs to be more towards the center. Let's try that. Let's try blurring the group here. So, the real M God, YT, are you thinking of like doing mobile or desktop, or what kind of a game are we talking about here? Is this a mobile game, or is this a like a full-fledged AAA PS5, Xbox, PC? Yeah, what are we going with here? Oh, we need some masking. We need some masking, guys. My favorite MCU is Thanos. Oh, we've got someone on Team Thanos. Well. He was trying to be a hero and stop Celestial. It's a console game. Dang, I am very interested in this game of yours. That sounds pretty cool. All right. Okay, what do we have here? It's a little bit of blur on like most everything though, right? Actually, let's give it a more of a blur in the center. No, now I hate it. You gotta walk a fine line, you know what I'm saying? What about this group right here? What if we give you a little bit of blur as well? See, I don't know. The blur effect is cool. Okay, but what I also wanted to do was some masking here. So if you're learning code for a console game, so have you looked into the Unity engine or Unreal? In which case, the languages you're probably going to be focusing on are either C++ or C#, right? Or if it's if you're doing a cross-platform Yeah, with Unity, it's C sharp. I'm pretty sure, right? All right. Now I need a little bit of there's there's some spots here where it's like not there's a little bit of transparency, a little bit of opaqueness going on here. So I feel like what we could do is we could say, hey, let's mask this using the alpha channel of another view. Now this should be interesting. Now I don't know if this is gonna work, but we're gonna try something. We're gonna do radial gradient. The colors are going to be clear and then black. Center is going to be, we're gonna do something funky. We're gonna go, hey, autocomplete, be my friend, please. Top trailing. Start radius is going to be, we'll say 0, and end radius will be dim. Ooh, look at that. That's interesting. If it were just top, then it would show it doing that little thing. That's kind of cool. I would love to see this animated. The only issue with that is your center, your radial gradient is in, it's in a unit point, isn't it? Okay. So your center unit point, this could be unit point. I'm sadly going to miss this mystery game. Oh, shoot. Sorry, Quicks. You got to go to bed. Hey, it's okay. You'll you know what? I'll make sure we have the VOD for you. I have Unity better, but Unreal people to hack to Epic Gaming and take people account. And that's what happened to me because two-factor being easy to hack. The hacker was a German man that changed the email and password very quickly. Oh, wow, I see. Have a good night. Thanks, Quicks. Oh, so you've had some experience where your account has been compromised and you're hoping to build something that makes it less likely to be hacked. I see. Oh yeah, well that's definitely not a fun situation when you're if someone's able to take control of your account. No, sir. Sorry to hear that. So would this be like a single player game or a multiplayer game? Oh, I was going to look into that. Okay. Unit point. Okay. This makes sense. Okay. This is what I'm going to try. It could go from, let's say it could go from top leading to bottom trailing. Let's see if this actually does something. Okay, guys, we're going to try a little fun little animation here. And then I'm just going to check on the status. Oh, it is ready. Okay. So we're going to find out what the game is going to be. It's between two contenders. Okay. But the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to say, is animating? Wait, hold on. With animation dot. Animation dot ease in out duration 2 value type some view has no member with animation. Oh no. Wait a second. Where does that go then? Does that go Dr. Strange shield. Oh, do I have to do it like this? I guess I do. Well, by value. At state private var is animating equals false. And on appear is animating toggle. Okay. Value is animating. And what's going to happen is the Doctor Strange shield. Oh, shoot. It has, no. It has to actually be inside here. How silly of me. There we go. All the way here. Animation. Wait. There we go. Animation value is animating. There. Now on appear. On appear is going to be, okay, one second. Okay. Incredible Hulk is a single player game. However, the sci-fi I'm making is a single player to co-op gaming. Well, that's pretty cool. All right, I think I have this. Failed to build the scheme. Oh, I know why. It's because I forgot to get rid of this. There we are. Okay. Build, you should be fine. You should be good, right? I was thinking about it. Oh, it's ready. Okay, so the goal is to... First of all, we're going to rotate this thing. It's going to be awesome. Okay, here we go. This is going to be... we're going to rotate the outer rings differently than the inner rings. You guys ready for this? Here we go. This is going to be animation. Hold on. Animation value is animating. Repeat forever. Yep, that's what we want. And also here. And your radial gradient is going to be the center. It's going to be is animating question mark top leading else bottom trailing because that's how we do. Oh, okay. Well, there it is. Huh. Wait. Let's give it a 3 second. So it's separate from wait, no. I forgot. No, I don't want this is what I want. 3. There we go. I thought the black dot was going around the circle. So what's happening is, I'm not quite sure if I like this mask. It's supposed to be masking the entire thing, but I think it needs to be different. So we're just gonna keep it at top leading for now. I don't think I like it that way. And then this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do you guys all the way. If you let that mean you're making the circle and the word animated. So what's happening is, if I leave, so this entire thing is going to be, oh, now it's going crazy. Oh, let's, wait, let me fix this. This is going to be like actually slower on the outer ridge. Yeah, there we go. If I leave it at the top, then I'm making the circle and the word animated. So what's happening is everything is going to be having a mask, which kind of makes some of it, when I say the top leading, basically there's going to be a mask there. So some of it's not going to be as bright. If I were to take out the mask, then you see everything would be bright like that. It is going pretty fast. That's true. Well, one of the things that happens in these SwiftUI canvases is that, like, if you're messing with values in real time, sometimes it gets very upset, like with animations. So yeah. Oh, it's an ease in out. Okay, I gotta fix this. This is going to be, hold on a second. This is going to be linear. Yeah, repeat forever. Auto reverse linear. Hold on a second. Dot. Auto reverse is false. So this is all going to be, let's make it like, let's give it 15 seconds. And then this stuff, we're going to have this all be, oh, I know what I can do. Rotation effect 0, 360 on this guy. He is going to be a little bit, he's gonna be different. He's gonna be 18 seconds instead. They should make a Doctor Strange game alone. I agree. That'd be so cool. Oh, guys, wow, this is really this turned out interesting. Why is this in the center though? Not. Ooh. Watch this, you guys. Points is animating 8, otherwise 7. Oh shoot, I forgot. It doesn't smoothly animate well because I forgot the animatable data is integers instead of floating points, and so like it's gonna go from like one extreme to the next without like doing like an interesting change. So that actually is not helpful. That's okay. Oh, well, we can't have them all. I'm going to have to mess with that a little bit. Oh, this was fun. This was a fun little project. Glad we were able to do it. Didn't take too long. But the main thing that we got out of this was we got our circular text and our circular patterns. We got, if you zoom in on here, you've got our fun little rouleau triangles in there. Good times. But I guess we could just keep on moving with this, but I don't want to break it any further. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to commit this, guys. This is fun. What do we add? We added circular text, and we added our Doctor Strange shield. Fun times. Try again, you. There we go. Fun stuff. Let's commit. And uncheck all. We're gonna start here. Let's see what we do. Circular text, Doctor Strange shield. And package resolved. Yes. Yes. And what is this? Nope. 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 This guy. Dragon curve box. We have not added that. Oh, that didn't make its way into the in the project file. Oh, let's just double check. Dragon. No. Okay. Cool. And I think that will do it. So let's go ahead and push to remote. So again, for those of you who are following along at home, you can find my my projects on stream right here. So added circular text and Doctor Strange shield demo. And I think that's it. Commit. Should be good. Well, that was fun. So a lot you can do with geometric shapes. Turns out many complex patterns are just a superposition of several smaller, simpler shapes, and that makes creating stuff pretty fun. Okay, you guys, it is going to be a toss-up for the game tonight, and our choices are Death Stranding and Persona 5. I could not decide between the two of these, so I'm going to leave it up to the Wheel of Fortune. And let's just see. Our data is going to be Ruh-roh. What just happened? Oh, I forgot. Forgot the array bounds. So, the wheel will tell us what it's going to be. You guys ready for this? And go. It's Death Stranding. We're gonna play Death Stranding for the very first time. I have no idea what to expect. So here we go. Hope it's fun. There's a lot of memes about it. It should be fun though. Looking forward to it. We'll see how it goes. My next coding stream will be on Thursday. Maybe sooner. I don't know. I've got the week off of work, so just trying to get some other stuff done at home. But yeah, maybe I can have an extra stream sometime this week. So with that, I'm gonna prep now and try to get everything ready to go. And game starting soon. Stick around. We'll be right back. Okay. Here we go. This is Death Stranding. Never played it. I have seen a little bit of gameplay footage. I have watched the trailers at when they came out and was thoroughly confused and very curious. And we're going to see how it goes cuz well, I guess let's just get started, huh? Here we go. Let's do normal. Sweet. I guess we'll go large. That's fine. Checking for additional content. Okay. And for those of you who are new to this stream, this channel, typically when I play a new game, I'm always hunting for inspiration for cool little UI elements that we can try to recreate. So right now, looking at that star loading view, which is pretty cool. We've already got most of the components that we can do to recreate that. I'm not sure if it's installing something or if it's downloading assets or what, but guess we'll find out. Well, it's taking its sweet time, that's for sure. So not sure what to expect here. Oh, I should probably set the channel to be mature content. This is pretty crazy, isn't it? I think it's pretty crazy. I think this game is a little something. Okay. There we go. We should be good now. Ooh, the anticipation. Can you feel it? 59%? Oh, man. Oh, it went from 61 to 97 in like nothing. All right, here we go. Screen brightness. Adjust the brightness of the image on the right can be seen, but the image on the left cannot. Okay. Let's see. What the? Okay. I mean, I'm looking at my screen and I can't see it, but it looks like on stream you can. So we'll just give it a shot. Statistical analysis has indicated that Doom's abilities vary according to the sufferer's date of birth. In order to establish your own ability levels, please enter your birthday. Nice try, FBI. Higher levels of Doom's abilities have been observed in those born under constellations such as Cancer, Pisces, Cetus, Delphinus, and Gigas. Confirm. All right, here we go. This is it. Don't get scared now. It's a Kojima game, so you know things are going to get weird. Oh, that was just the intro. Okay. I'm down with that. The rope along with the stick are two of mankind's oldest tools. The stick to keep the bad away, the rope used to bring the good toward us. They were our first friends of our own invention. Wherever there were people, there were the rope and the stick.
Once there was an explosion. A bang which gave birth to time and space.
Norman Reedus.
Once there was an explosion. A bang which set a planet spinning in that space. Once there was an explosion. A bang which gave rise to life as we know it. And then came the next explosion.
Rain, heavy blows, bloody eyes, sweaty clothes, libertine, then I've learned to understand and know, play my tricks, fragile mind, risk your head on me, shut my eyes, I'm not here, there must be some mistake, don't be so serious.
Of course, Troy Baker, the GOAT.
Don't be so serious.
I knew about that.
Don't be so serious.
Special appearance, Nicholas Winding Refn. Hi there, Full Master. Welcome to the stream. I'm very excited. I've been waiting to play this game for a very long time. Well, that's cool. What the? I couldn't tell if that was acid rain or if it was bird poop. Or just rain. Ah, thank you for the follow. I hope you enjoy your time here. Yeah, I've seen the trailers. I know stuff gets weird. But how weird? I guess we'll just have to find out. Whoa. Oh, that second one didn't make it. Oh. Whoa. Fragile, handle with love. Sorry, I didn't see you there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
No.
Shoot. Oh.
Great.
Guess we're walking.
Fuck.
Recover your cargo and then find shelter. Here is my cargo. Grab with my left hand. Wait, what? What? Do I have to hold on to it with my left hand? Oh, wow. Okay. 2 out of 4. That is so funny. Carrying cargo in your hands allows you to protect it with your body. Hand-carried cargo will not take damage even if you fall. Tap to scan. The Cargo scanner. The Odra deck can scan for cargo tags. Every piece of cargo has a tag attached. Okay. If I let go... Okay, that's fine. Grab with my right hand. Okay. Total now 2 out of 4. Minimum required 1. Where am I supposed to go? Where did that lady go? Where did the lady with the umbrella go? I hold down shift while I run. Ah, shoot! What the heck? Okay. I tried to stop, but it just kept on running. Okay, that was, was that by design? Sam is a repatriate, meaning that he can return to life from the place known as the Seam. When killed, and the Seam follows a strand to guide Sam's soul to his body to bring him back. So, is this the record for, like, fastest death in this game? Patriot F. Vomiting. Well, alright. Eat cryptobio. Cargo ruin. Smart drugs. Oh, I failed my first mission, you guys. How do I press F? F. 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 Now I need to... Where do I go? So he takes like a good 5 steps to stop moving. So that's why I went over the edge, because I was a little unsure. But if I hold my left and right hands, I can run like this. Climb. Okay, now we have a marker to go to, so I'm gonna head there. Although, wait a second, hold on. Let me scan. Oh, we got some rations over there. Let's go pick them up. Let's go see. Oh no, no, don't do that. Don't do that. We're gonna... Stop. Okay. Slowly. Grab with the left hand. All right. You picked up the head of distribution of Central Knot City's dropped cargo. All right. Okay. Let's see. Great. Now I gotta find a better way to over there. I'm guessing if I go up this way, I should be fine. As long as I hold it in my hand, it's not gonna get damaged. Don't fall off the cliff though. That would be whoa. Grip for balance. Okay. Always interesting. Can I jump up here? I can't even jump up here. I'm trying to make it over to that region. Let's just see if we can slowly go along this. Can I crawl up here? Do it. No. Come on. You can do it. Well, all right. Let's just, Ooh. I find it strange that she just disappeared. Let's Just calm down there, Norman. All right, here we go. We're at a good pace here. Climb continuously by just spamming the jump button. I see.
Could wait out the rain over there.
Could wait out the rain over there. Wait, what happened? Where did... Oh. It had seemed like he dropped his cargo, but I don't know. What's up? Okay. Uh-oh. We're about to see some skin. What's going on here? What's that? His tattoo? Something on his, what is that? Some sort of wound? His hair is raising up. I've already died once, so that's okay, I suppose. Why is it getting all red? Jeez. Not my package. Oh, we went after that deer. So, is he walking on his hands? Or does he have feet that look like hands? Is that it? All right. And they're both crying. Prologue. Porter. Well, that was something. They're still crying.
I think they're gone. What the hell? Didn't mean to grab you so hard. Tears. A chiral allergy.
Oh, I see.
So, you have dooms, like me.
I've got the extinction factor, but I think you got me beat.
What's your level? You can see them, right?
No, but I can sense them.
Level 2, then.
Level 2.
What are you doing here?
Trying to stay dry. Same as you. Timefall's let up. My name is Fragile.
Aha.
Yeah, I've heard of you.
Oh, I just want to shake her hand.
That right? Sam Porter Bridges. The man who delivers.
What's with the handprints on his back?
You want it?
What?
A crypto buy-out a day keeps the timefall away.
A crypto buyout. Okay.
Wanna come work for me? Must be tough out here on your own.
Yeah, I thought Fragile Express had plenty of people.
Plenty of traitors. Not much left of us now, save for a few honest folks. And on top of that, not much left of me either. Got soaked from neck to toe.
I can't help you with that.
So the rain is
I
deadly.
make deliveries, that's all.
This is
Or
Bridges
whatever it
Central
is.
Dispatch. Freelance contractor Sam Porter Bridges. Receiver is standing by for drop.
Headed into town.
That's
Watch
quite the
yourself.
umbrella.
Those things never stay gone for long.
What's wrong with your umbrella?
The timefall fast forwards whatever it touches, but it can't wash everything away. The past just won't let go. I'll see you around. Sam Porter Bridges.
Whoa, those are the spikes. What? What? What was that all about? I'll see you around. Now I got spikes on my shoulders. I mean, I'll see you around. Deliver one. Well, okay, what do we got here? The blood and stamina gauges. The red bar is the blood gauge. When it reaches 0, Sam will die. Blue bar is stamina gauge. As this gauge depletes, Sam moves more slowly. Maintaining his balance is harder. Okay. What's Q again? Yeah, don't forget your tools, man. One likes received? What? Okay. I guess we're supposed to go this way? Key cargo for the smart drug delivery order located. Okay.
took you so long? It's not like the legend to come in late.
Had to wait out the storm.
You're running by. Good work.
Did I accidentally fast forward through it? Got likes? Is that like a unit of currency in this world? Is like Facebook likes? Wait a minute. Did that sound effect just say like? Overall rating A. Well. It sounds like they're saying like. That is funny. Oh, we got 158 likes. Oh, what is this? Ooh, I like that. Okay, I'm really digging that. Some sort of like a skill, some like a star rating that's that builds out from the wow, that's cool. Interesting.
Special commission for Sam Porter Bridges. Priority 1.
Special commission. SND. What is that?
Igor, Bridges Corpse Disposal. Sam Porter, I presume?
Yeah, that's me.
Right. Not the touchy-feely type. Document said you had some kind of phobia.
Bridges corpse disposal? What happened?
Look, gotta get a move on. I'll explain as we go.
Okay. Music by Ludwig Forsell.
Come and take a look. He's got a date with the incinerator.
How long since he flatlined?
We don't know the exact TOD, but I'd say it's been upwards of 40 hours.
He wasn't quarantined.
Not sick. This is a suicide.
Oh, Jesus.
We're just lucky we found him at all. Got him on ice ASAP, but who knows when he'll go necro.
Oh, I think I saw something
Where you
similar in the
taking him?
trailer.
Closest incinerators to the north?
This route's crawling with BTs. Sure you can't use another?
I wish I could, but there's no time.
BT.
Then just burn the poor bastard right here.
You put all that chiralium in the air so close to town? Can't do it.
Better that than trying for the incinerator.
Oh man.
Hey, we can do this. We just need someone like you with dooms.
So I have to go deliver a body. What was that?
Well, he's already in the first stages of necrosis. If we don't hurry, this place is a crater.
So how about it? Can we count on you? Then Bridges hereby enters into a contract with Sam Porter.
Huh.
Sam. Just Sam.
Interesting language.
And I can't spot BTs. Just sense them.
Okay.
That's why we came prepared.
Invisible hand blocking things.
A bridge baby, huh?
If it's helping you, we'll be able to stay one step ahead of them.
All right. I was wondering when this was.
Makes me feel like shit every time.
Well, you're plugging into the other side. Freaks me out too.
Bridge baby.
Roll out.
What? Oh, that's interesting. That web thing over the USA. Wow.
You know, the world was different when I was a kid. America was a country. Anybody could go anywhere they damn well pleased. No need for couriers like yourself. We had highways, airplanes. Hell, we could even visit other countries.
What's that?
Hard to imagine it now.
Oh,
As you can
oh,
see, the
look at it.
Death Stranding poked us full of holes.
It's leaking something.
Fucked us
What is that?
beyond all recognition. And if you were lucky enough to survive, the timefall came and washed you away. Then those freaks from the beach showed up. Worlds of the living and the dead all mixed together. And that's when folks started
His head.
pulling up in the cities. Couriers like yourself got put up on a pedestal.
What is happening?
Rainbow!
Rainbow. Is that a bad thing?
How much further to the incinerator? This guy's about to pop.
Oh, jeez.
Shit. We're gonna have to cut to the BTs.
So it tells me this guy's about to die. Oh, he's getting dirtier. Can those things not sense vehicles driving on roads? Visibility is stuff. Is it following us?
The engine stalled.
Those assholes got us right where they want us. Get us out of here.
Sam, can you see anything?
It's gonna die. No!
Nothing.
This BB must be busted or something.
What? Where do I look? This guy's gonna die. And that's why I pay for insurance. Norman, get up. Sam. Oh, I remember this. I remember this. Okay, yeah, this is from the trailer. getting old.
Sam!
Shut up. Don't even breathe.
Oh, so much for incinerator.
Surrounded. Sorry.
Baby. Shooting at the air. Take the baby. Oh, big boss. Is that umbilical cord? I forgot about that last part. So was he going crazy and trying to like kill himself because he was out of his mind, or was he trying to like kill himself so that he would save himself from another fate? Holy smoke. I remember watching that scene years ago, like for the trailer. So weird. Is that baby's gone? maybe turned into one of those things. What? Where's the baby? Where's my pants? Handcuffs? What does it mean? Your next quest is to find some clothes.
Falling down, London bridges falling down, my fair lady.
What is she doing? Excuse me, miss. How'd the water get so deep all of a sudden? Bodies. Sam is a repatriate, meaning that he can return to life from the place known as the Seam when killed. And the Seam followed the strand to guide Sam's soul to his body to bring him back. So we died. Baby. Mads Mikkelsen.
Baby, can you hear me? Can you hear me? It's Daddy.
Okay. Oh yeah, that happens. Wait a second, wait a second. Wait, no, you need those. You need to eat those so you don't grow old or something.
Once there was an explosion. A bang which gave rise to life as we know it.
Okay.
And then came the next explosion. An explosion that will be our last.
The cargo scanner. Sam is a repatriate. Yep. You sometimes find cargo from abandoned deliveries dotted about the landscape. Delivering this cargo to its intended destination in good condition will make you very popular indeed. You'll get a lot of likes. Stop and try controlling the camera without moving for a while. Hey, thanks for the follow, the puppet. How you doing? Boy, this is some pretty crazy stuff. I can't believe I have not played this game until now. But wow. I got it on sale. Just had to wait a few years. A couple of years. 1 year, 2 years. How long has it been out? While moving, press shift to start running the endurance gauge. Traversing rivers. The effort required to reverse a river is largely dependent on its depth and flow. Strength of the current and the depth of the water. Keeping balance. You'll be able to resist the flow. If you center your balance with both hands, you'll be able to hold on for longer. Okay, so that's why you would want to, instead of holding the cargo, putting it on your back. I see. Press W and S to move the cursor on list style menus. A and D to change the menu category. Right. Oh, resume game. I didn't realize it. Okay, here we go. Why am I restrained? Uh-oh. He's crying again, which means those guys are nearby. Brigitte. Brigitte.
Oh, you're awake. So, how does it feel to be back in the world of the living?
Gerbo!
Don't worry. I'm a doctor. Well, a coroner, originally.
That was cool.
Call me Dead Man. I'm well acquainted with the dead.
Okay.
Not like you, of course. Contrary to the name, I've never actually died.
Call me Dead Man.
I would advise against that.
A man came in here the other
I'm no
day.
expert, but I can assure you it's
A
for
dead
your
man.
own protection. See?
So I'm a prisoner.
These aren't handcuffs. They're cutting-edge devices that keep us all connected.
Us?
Are you like me?
Oh, us.
Yup. Bridges. Humanity's best hope for the future. Or avoiding extinction, if you prefer.
Right. Where am I? What time is it?
Watch me. Try pressing it against your skin, like this. Relax. That just means your body's got a good connection to the cufflink. Look, look. The cuffs
Oh, sweet.
will watch over you 24 hours a day. That is to say, we will. We're here to help.
Heads up
What the
display.
hell? 2 days.
During that time, we took the liberty of collecting fluid samples from you.
Say what?
You're a repatriate. That makes you very special.
So I've been told.
What happened to the CD guys?
Central Knot was obliterated in the annihilation. Game over, man. Place is a crater. The
Is that
only
an
ones
alien
to let it
reference?
continue were you, for obvious reasons, and your broken bridge baby.
Is it all right?
It's been marked for disposal. Didn't work anymore. Why keep it? We lost everyone. Not just corpse disposal. My team, HQ, all of Redefort, every soul in Central Knot City. We're at our base, in Capital Knot City now. Or should I say, our new headquarters. Sudbury seemed the logical choice. But our implementation team has been decimated. And there's only so much they can do in 2 days.
Monster Energy drink. Is this
Things
product
here
placement?
are
What
a
the heck?
mess. Fortunately, the director and his support team were out of town at the time, so the chain of command remains intact. I hate to do this so soon, but I have a job for you.
You must deliver this crate of Monster Energy drink.
This stencil is from when you repatriated? What's the other mark from?
A clingy woman in a cave.
I see.
Fragile.
Aphanphosmphobia.
What?
No wonder you were out there alone, where no one could touch you. I'll try to be more careful, Sam. So, the job is an urgent delivery. I need you to bring the president some morphine.
The president?
What president? America's gone. You talking about the mayor of Central Knot?
No. Not the mayor. America lives on, Sam. The president is in the final stages of cancer, in critical condition. But there's still time.
Why me?
Because you're a delivery man, Sam.
Look, Sam. Do as I ask, and I promise it will all make sense.
Why don't you do it?
Because I'm not a delivery man, Sam.
Because I'm not really here.
No.
Apologies. This is just a chirogram. And here, come the tears. Allergic reaction to the chiral transmission. I'm actually over in the isolation ward in the big triangle building. Here is the morphine. Bridges hereby enters into a contract with Sam Porter.
Come on.
I love that.
You got morphine there. What's this
Legalese.
about? Tell me the truth.
The truth, Sam, is that America's last president wants to see you in person. Are you really about to say no?
Well, if it's the president, I guess I can't refuse. Man, I really had something else to do today. What's it gonna be, Sam?
Very good.
Obviously.
I'll see you in the isolation ward.
So, how come Fragile was able to like teleport in and out? And she actually touched him, but that guy was like a hologram. That's what I want to know.
Scanning Bridges ID. Verifying ID. Clear. All clear. Welcome, Sam Porter Bridges.
Thanks. Okay.
Delivery order for Sam Porter. Request transport of morphine to isolation ward for immediate administration to the president.
You got it, dude. So, how far away is this anyway? Recharging. Oh, what?
Check the map on your cufflinks if you're lost, Sam. The isolation word should be pretty obvious. If you're not sure how to get there, you can set markers and draw routes too.
Okay.
Try it out and you'll see what I mean.
Open cufflinks. Wait, this is what we need to go to? Oh. This is where the president is? Oh. Okay. Open menu. Check and adjust cargo. Save or load your game and adjust various options. View tips, interviews, your activity log, and more. View active orders. Morphine delivery 300 meters away. All right, let's do this.
Sam, if you want to confirm you're headed the right way, check your compass. It'll never steer you wrong. Provided you have a destination, that is.
Press G to enter compass mode. Oh, the HUD is pretty cool.
Central wasn't just home to Bridges HQ. It was also the seat of the Reconstructionist movement.
Off limits.
If the president hadn't required special treatment, she would have never left. And
Oh,
if she hadn't,
Madam
we
President.
wouldn't have either.
I feel like I hear a truck or something. Entrance for bridges only. Hello? Caution. Robots.
Like I said, her vital signs are all trending the same way.
No chance of a recovery then?
None that I can see. No.
Oh, they're talking about the
We should
president?
start making preparations.
Sam, it's me, Dead Man.
I can't get over that name. Arr.
Sorry, my mistake.
Here's your morphine.
I'm afraid the president's condition has deteriorated. Thank you. This will help to ease the pain. And allow her to speak with you in these final moments.
Final moment.
The first and last female president of the United States. Surely you remember her. She raised you. You're not exactly dressed for a reunion. Take that off before you come inside.
But I have no other clothes. We got an S rating? Wow, we only had to travel like 300 meters, like in a straight line. But hey, we'll take what we can get. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? Whoa, those are cables that are reaching into oblivion? What is this?
That's the president's right-hand man, the director of bridges.
Die Hardman?
Oh, you were with Bridges One? So, I guess no introductions are
that
necessary.
is his name. Okay. I thought he was just guessing because of Dead Man. Die Hard Man. 1.
What's it been, Sam? 10 years? Look at us. A bunch of deathless freaks meeting like this. Yeah, well, good to see you two. President's waiting. It's your mother, Bridget. She's a bit out of it, but I know she'll recognize you.
All right, so this is apparently Mom. Hi, Mom.
Madam President, we've brought Sam. We'll leave you two alone.
Sam, I knew you'd come back. Are you doing all right? Yeah, I know you hate me.
Why? Dang, the detail on this.
Amelie.
You remember Amelie went west. Took her 3 years to cross. She's trying to rebuild the country.
Still going on about that, huh?
You're the one I wanted to send, Sam. Time's running out. Help Amelie. She needs you. Together, you can help us reconnect. You can make America whole. Sam, if we don't all come together again, humanity will not survive.
We don't need a country. Not anymore.
We do. Alone, we have no future.
No, America's finished. Bridget, you're the president of jack shit.
Sam, listen to me.
What the? That's not good.
Please. So you are willing to help me?
What in the world?
No, I...
I love you, Sam. I'll be waiting for you on the beach.
What?
Madam President! Oh, no.
Did they not hear the commotion just a minute ago? She collapsed?
Doctor, we need your help.
All hands on deck here. She's in V-50. Give me 150 cc's. She's not responding.
Stay with me. Madam President.
This is dropping.
Hold on.
We're losing her.
Whoa, what? 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 Why did the setting just change? I'm so confused. Be stranded with love.
Listen, no one can know that the president is dead. If word gets out, Bridges is finished. Now, what happened here does not leave this room. Do you understand?
Yes, Director. But there's still the matter of the body. Without corpse disposal.
We've got that covered.
Are they going to make Sam carry his dead mother to an incinerator? Oh, jeez. We need to ask you a favor.
Sam, before she died, the president made a contract with you.
What are you talking about?
As a member of Bridges, you're gonna work with the rest of us to rebuild America.
You think you can recruit me? Like she tried to?
Well, she succeeded. Look at your wrist. If that's not symbolic, I don't know what is.
Director, the cancer spread throughout her entire body. Harvesting organs is out of the question, and there is no need for an autopsy. Her body needs to be cremated before she necrotizes.
And if we don't, this place will turn into another crater.
What do you want me to do?
We don't have any portals
that happens
right
to
now.
every human being?
And
Is
the
that
CD
what's
team you
happening?
went into the field with are dead. But the president's body has to be burned.
The road from Capital Knot City to the incinerator was compromised in the void out. Now, the only way there is on foot, through the mountains. But the chiral density there is off the chart. It's gotta be BTs.
This job has requirements. Tombs. Repatriate.
So me? Why?
Sam, you're already on the clock.
Now get it done, Sam Porter Bridges.
It's like when your parents call you by your full name when you're in trouble back in the day. Sam Porter Bridges, you get down here this instant. Okay,
Can I have a moment?
here's the cargo.
President Strand believed in American Reconstructionism. She worked tirelessly to bring the nation together again. And without her, there would be no Bridges. She deserves a funeral with full honors. But we can't give her that. If she dies, America dies.
Without her, Bridges will cease to be.
Listen. Her cremation must be carried out with the utmost secrecy.
Even if we pull it off, what then? Who's gonna take her place? Face it, America's history.
Sam, America isn't dead yet.
He just said that it dies if Bridget dies.
She may be lost to us, but we still have an America worthy of the presidency.
Sorry, what?
Let's not get into it now. What matters is that we're going to finish your mother's work and rebuild America as she intended. That's the reason Bridges exists. So take the first step, Sam, and deliver the president's body to the incinerator.
If we don't all come together again, humanity will not survive.
Yeah,
You're the one I wanted to send, Sam.
what you gonna do, Sam?
Time's running out. I love you, Sam. I'll be waiting for you on the beach.
So why does he have that skull armor face?
The facilities to the southwest. Remember that you'll be passing through BT territory.
We built the incinerator way up in the mountains so that the chiral matter in the smoke wouldn't reach the city.
That makes sense.
It won't be easy carrying a body up there.
We'll be monitoring you around the clock. If anything comes up, we'll offer you support via the cufflinks.
That's kind of, I mean, it's a very surreal thing. I'm trying to think, what did I imagine? Huh. So, Capital Knot City's there. Nick Easton, who are you, man? Watchtower. And then all the way up there. Okay, time is it? Yeah, it's bedtime. I think it's a good place as any to stop. Wow. Holy smoke. Very intriguing story so far. We'll definitely continue this game and finish it. So let's see what happens. Very, very, very interesting. Okay. Thanks everybody for chilling with me tonight. Thanks for the new follows. Thanks for the subs. And we'll see you on Thursday at the latest. Maybe sooner. We'll see. I'll be back again 8 o'clock Pacific time, and we'll continue with our programming stuff. I'm gonna see if I can try to get something from this game as a project. So we'll see how we do. But anyway, thanks everybody. Have a good one. See you next time.